What if I told you there's a type of money that no government controls? You can send it anywhere in the world in seconds. And some people became millionaires just by buying it early. Sound crazy, right? That's cryptocurrency. And today, you're going to understand it better than 90% of people online. Cryptocurrency is everywhere. News, social media, even your friends are talking about it. But most people don't actually understand how it works. In this video, I'll explain what cryptocurrency really is, how it works behind the scenes, whether it's a smart investment, and the real pros and cons you need to know. Let's simplify crypto once and for all. Cryptocurrency is digital money that exists only on the internet. There are no physical coins or notes. Everything is online. But here's what makes it different. It's decentralized. That means no bank, no government, and no single authority controls it. For example, when you use traditional money, your bank verifies your transaction. But with cryptocurrency, a network of computers around the world does that job instead. The first and most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009. After that came thousands of others like Ethereum, Solana, and more. Each cryptocurrency has its own purpose. Some are used as money, others power apps and digital services. Now let's break down the magic behind crypto. Blockchain. Think of blockchain like a public digital notebook that anyone can see, but no one can secretly change. Every time a transaction happens, it gets recorded in this notebook. Here's a simple step-by-step. 1. You send crypto to someone. 2. The transaction is shared with a network of computers. 3. These computers verify it using complex algorithms. 4. Once verified, it's added as a block. 5. That block is linked to previous ones, forming a chain. That's why it's called blockchain. And because thousands of computers verify everything, it's extremely hard to hack or manipulate. Some cryptocurrencies also use something called mining or staking to confirm transactions and create new coins. Now let's talk about money, because that's why most people are here. Cryptocurrency has made headlines because of massive profits. For example, Bitcoin was once worth less than $1 and later reached tens of thousands of dollars. That's life-changing growth. But here's the truth most people don't tell you. Crypto is highly volatile. Prices can go up 20% in a day and crash just as fast. There are different ways people invest. Long-term holding, trading for short-term gains, staking to earn passive rewards. Smart investors don't just chase hype, they study the market and manage risk. If you're new, these terms might sound confusing. Let's simplify them. Blockchain is a system that records transactions. Wallet, where you store your crypto. Private key, your secret password. Lose it, and you lose your crypto. Mining, creating new coins and verifying transactions. Altcoins, any crypto that isn't Bitcoin. DeFi, financial services without banks. NFTs, digital ownership of art, music, and more. Learning these basic terms gives you a huge advantage. Pros versus cons of cryptocurrency. Pros: no middleman, no banks needed. Fast global transactions. High return potential. Transparency and security. Cons: extreme price volatility. Risk of scams and fake projects. Not fully regulated. Can be confusing for beginners. Crypto is powerful, but it's not risk-free. So, is cryptocurrency the future of money? Possibly, but it's still evolving. Here's my honest advice. Start by learning, not investing. Understand how things work before putting in your money. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto isn't a guaranteed shortcut to wealth, but if you understand it properly, it can be a powerful opportunity. If this video helped you understand crypto, hit that like button. Subscribe for more simple and powerful explanations. And comment below. Do you think crypto is the future? See you in the next video.